Alright guys, good morning. Yeah, we are preparing to send stuff to the Philippines. So this is what we call balikbayan boxes. And let me tell you guys first what are the company we've been using. We use the Atlas. We've been using them like this is gonna be our third time, but no problem at all guys, so I highly recommend them. Plus but anyway, let's go to the stuff we're gonna send to the Philippines. My mama gonna send them because right now here's some sandals. The most important is the, as you guys see, shampoo. My goodness, shampoo, conditioner. Yeah, ito yung mga nang-hairbat ko last time. So yeah, that's the good thing about couponing guys. We've been sending them like this kind of stuff because you get them really cheap or free. That's why I got that one. Look here. Okay, we got that one like what, 2 weeks ago for only 29 cents at price, or we call some people they called it, some state they called it Kroger. It's really popular as Kroger. So yep, for 29 cents. Anyway, so there's some shoes, they light up. I got them a long time ago at Kmart, but yeah, you can see that one. There's some Nikes. This is from kanino to, mother? This is for Brenda. Nikes. And this is for Baet. Hi Baet, if you're watching my vlog. Herbert. This is Converse. This is for actually for my dad, but he's just gonna give it to my cousin Herbert. She want that one. We have some sandals. Okay. Oh, that's for my auntie Tisay. Kasya kaya yan, mother? And this one, kanino to, ma? My sister Marcel. Look at that. Ooh, Skechers. Really nice shoes. That's from Kohl's. Mama got it at Kohl's. All kinds of different brand. We have Nikes. We have Converse, we have Fila, we have Skechers, we have Star Wars. There's another one. Kanino to? Kay Ate Jem? Okay, this is for my sister, Gemaline. Okay. Oh, kanino to? This is for my sister, but I think she's gonna give it away. Kanino to, ma?
Kay Nika.
This is for my niece, Nika. Okay. And some Joe boxers. This is pajama for my grandma. And kanino to, mama? Sandals.
Kay Lola mo.
Kay grandma. May bag ba si Lola, ma?
Hindi yun nandoon. Kay Lola mo.
And oh, I just got it at Old Navy for what, $3.47? Yeah, they are on clearance. I got them yesterday. This is for Gian. Hi Gian, if you're watching my vlog. If my sister are watching my vlog. But yeah, I got that from Old Navy. And I got it from Old Navy as well. Kay taba nito, ma? Kay taba. This is for my sister. Some pants. Some leggings, I think for my cousin or my cousin. This is some leggings. This is some bag. I think this is old. This for my auntie. The bag is for, this is for grandmama. That's for grandma. The bag, this bag more there. There's some, oh, kanino to? For my sister, clothes from Kohl's. Candy's brand is Kohl's brand. What I mean is from Kohl's. Oh, this is cute. Oh, this is for my auntie pinning. That's for Auntie Pining. And there's some Levi's jeans. This is the part 1, guys. We have more because mom are gonna send 3-pack of, oh, there's some sandals there. Okay, there's all clothes. These are all clothes. These are, I got it at Walgreens, guys. Those are all from Walgreens. When they hit 90%, guys. So, ito kumaki na Helen, mama. Oh, my cousin, Helen. Kanino to, ma? Oh, this is cute. Victoria's Secret. Oh, yeah, this is cute. This from Victoria's Secret. Okay, may mga punda si mother. Oh. This is, kanino to, ma? This is for Nika. This is for Helen, my cousin Helen. Mom just got it yesterday from Walmart, $5. They are on clearance. They're so cute. They're like spring. Kanino to, ma? This is from Tia Tisay. Okay, this one. This is new as well. Oh, this kasya kaya Tia Tisay to, ma? Parang malaki. Ah, okay. That's from my auntie. There's more. Some Hot Wheels. I got it for 69 cents at Walgreens. I got it for 99 cents at Walgreens. This is for my cousin. We have some little kids there. Some 2 Hot Wheels. This is, I got it for what? 99 cents at Walgreens. I think this one are 69 cents at Walgreens. Like, oh, they have a bunch of that stuff already all over the place. So, yep, they're gonna enjoy that one for kids. Oh, the Olay. This is my favorite Olay. Bar soap Olay, of course. All the older shoes for school. That's why my mom need to send them because they're gonna use that. Oh, this is cute. Kanina to, ma?
Okay.
No, my sister. This is for this is for Brand Lara. And then whoever got this thing, I don't know. Alisin mo na lang ito sa boxes. Ito. Or some stuff, I don't know. Bat bubbles. Bat bubbles pala to eh. Kailangan may bathtub sila para i-use ito. Wag mo na to, sayang. Hindi nila magagamit yan. Body wash. Body wash na lang ipadala mo. Kaysa yan. Sayang. There's some stuff for house. Panini. And there's some stuff for house as well. Oh, this is cute. And then ito, ano to? A comforter. Kubrikama. And some sandals. More sandals. And more sandals. Cute nito na. And more sandals. They are from Post, that's for sure, I think. Huh? My sister, and I think this is for my sister as well. And there's some jacket. Kanino tong jacket? This is for my sister. Molly, this is cute. Kanino to? This is for my sister, Marso. So that's more like maxi dress. Okay. Ayan, guys. That's it, guys. So that's the part 1. We're not done yet because mama gonna send, I think, 3 boxes. So that's the first box. Ano mo na pala, ma? The part 2 is gonna be all clothes. But anyway, that's the first part 1 because we're not fit anymore. It's long already. So anyway, that's it, guys. Bye bye.